Today I'm sharing one of my favorite recipe made out of these two simple ingredients. So let's get started. Firstly, peel potatoes and put it in cold water. Then cut it vertically from the center and then cut it again into medium to thin pieces lengthwise. Don't cut it too thin, otherwise potatoes will break and turn mushy. On the other hand, if you cut them too thick, that can result into delayed and uneven cooking. Once done, keep them in cold water. That prevents potatoes from turning brown. Now, take off the stem of green chilies and slit them from the center using a paring knife. Roughly slice red onion. For preparing green onion, divide the green onion stack into two parts, one with white side and another with bright green side. Now, further cut it approximately 1 to 1.5 inch long pieces. And that's all you need. Now, heat up a kadhai on medium-high heat. Add mustard seed oil into it. Once hot, add panch foran followed by asafoetida. Then add potatoes into it. Give it a stir and fry them for about a minute. You can use any other vegetable oil as well, but I find this dish really flavorsome in mustard oil. When potatoes start to cook slightly, then add sliced red onion and green chilies into it and cook them for another minute or so. For the people who are not aware of panch foran, it is a whole spice blend originating from the region of Eastern South Asia. Typically, it consists of fenugreek seeds, nigella or onion seed, cumin seeds, black mustard seed, and fennel seed in equal parts. So you can make your own spice blend or simply buy it from the grocery store. Once onion turns translucent, then add ginger garlic paste and cook it for a couple of minutes or until the raw smell of garlic is gone. Then add turmeric and salt into it and mix it well. This recipe calls for good quantity of turmeric for its distinctive taste and color. Once potatoes are 70% cooked, then add green onions white part into it and cook it for a couple of minutes. Then add rest of the green onion and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once potatoes are cooked completely and green onions turn bright green and wilted, turn off the flame and add lemon juice into it. Mix it well. Enjoy this chapati masaledar sabji with roti, paratha or naan. It is simply irresistible and I am sure you will love it. Do try out this simple, quick and mouth-watering recipe and share your thoughts in comment section. We'll see you soon with another simple, quick recipe. Till then, happy eating. Bye-bye. Take care.